In today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up a WordPress website step by step using the built-in tools available on WordPress.com. Backing up your website is extremely important because it protects your content, posts, and settings in case something goes wrong. Whether you're moving your site, keeping a safety copy, or just following best practices, this is something every WordPress user should know. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, go to your WordPress homepage. This is the main dashboard where you manage your site. Make sure you're logged into the correct WordPress account that controls the website you want to back up. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to confirm you're viewing the right site, especially if you manage multiple WordPress sites under one account. Next, look at the left-hand menu and click on Tools. This section contains built-in utilities provided by WordPress. Now, it's important to note that if you don't have access to plugins or hosting settings, you're most likely using WordPress.com, which is the hosted version of WordPress. In this case, WordPress manages all the server-side functionality for you, and your backup options are limited to the built-in export feature. After clicking on Tools, select Export. This will take you to the export page where WordPress allows you to download a copy of your site's content. On this page, you'll see options for exporting your data. Typically, you can export all content, which includes posts, pages, comments, categories, and other site data. For most users, choosing to export all content is the best option for a complete backup. Once you've selected your export option, click on the Download Export File button. WordPress will then generate an export file for your website. This file is usually an XML format, and it contains all the data from your site that can later be imported into another WordPress site if needed. Depending on the size of your site, this download may take a few seconds or a bit longer. When the download finishes, save the file somewhere safe on your computer or an external storage device. You can also upload it to cloud storage like Google Drive or Dropbox for extra security. Keeping multiple copies of your backup is always a smart idea. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to back up a WordPress website using the built-in export tool. This simple process ensures you always have access to your content if you ever need to restore or move your site. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.